Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can invert your mouse scroll on Mac. So for example, if your mouse scrolls in the opposite direction than you expect, like scrolling down makes the page go up and scrolling up makes the page goes down. That is just basically macOS setting, and I'm going to show you how you can turn this on or off. So firstly you have to open your system settings. So find your system settings and we want to look for mouse settings. So this should be somewhere at the bottom over here. It's under keyboard and here you will see this natural scrolling option, and if you turn this on or if you have this turned on, that means if I now want to scroll down, for example in those applications, I have to scroll actually up, so it's inverted. And if you enabled this for the mouse, it's also going to be automatically enabled on your trackpad. So as you can see in the scroll and zoom, natural scrolling is enabled. So for example, now if I take my two fingers and I'm going to place them on my touchpad and I will try to scroll, I need to scroll up to get to bottom and opposite. So I have to scroll now down with my two fingers in order to get up. So this is inverted, and if you want to turn this off, make sure to turn this off like this, and now it's going to be same as if you would be scrolling on your mobile device. So I have to scroll down in order to get down, and that's basically it. So this is how you can change or how to invert a mouse scroll on your Mac. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.